Business representation here at Smith Strong is a dynamic practice area where we're usually meeting with business owners or startup owners in quick half-hour teleconferences because we know how busy you are, where we're either establishing a new business, setting up and sustaining a registered agent service, providing contract review and approval, or setting up buy-sell agreements or succession planning to a new generation of owners and managers. Wherever you are in the life cycle of your business, we're delighted to help you. We meet with business owners every day and every week, usually in quick half-hour phone calls, to meet the needs that you have in these different life cycles. And we serve as a long-term legal advisor. Oftentimes, we have set up the business, serve as the registered agent, look through contracts and review them as the years go on, bringing on new partners with partnership agreements and operating agreements. Then, for sale, buy-sell agreements or succession planning to the next generation. Wherever you are on this life cycle, it's our privilege to help you. It begins with a quick half-hour phone call where we will assess the situation, provide a flat fee, and then outline next steps. No pressure, no obligation, but we're delighted to help you as a long-term legal advisor, and we're excited for this entrepreneurial business chapter in your life.